With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, during resting condition, axonal membrane is, options given are more permeable to potassium than sodium, more permeable to sodium than potassium, impermeable to sodium than potassium, impermeable to potassium than chloride. So if we'll talk about the resting potential across the axonal membrane, across the neuronal membrane, resting membrane potential at this time there is completely closure of the sodium ions. Here we can see that any of the nerve impulse that is being conducted by the action potential, when these sodium and the potassium open gated channels, they become open. But in case of the resting membrane potential, these sodium gated channel, they completely closed. So these are closed, sodium channels, these are closed. It means the membranes, they are not permeable to sodium. Sodium gated channels are completely closed. While on the other hand, potassium channels, these are partly open in case of the resting potentials. So these are partly open. Potassium channels, they become the partly open. It means the membrane that is permeable to potassium than the sodium. So we can see that the potassium is, the membrane is more permeable to the potassium, because potassium can cross the membrane as compared to the sodium. This is a case of the resting membrane potential. But as the action potential is being generated, when we can say that the signal has to be transmitted across the membrane, in this case depolarization and the repolarization occur. First of all, depolarization occur. When this depolarization occur, then sodium channel that remains open, and then after, when the repolarization occur, both sodium and the potassium gated channel that remain occur, and it will lead to the change in the polarity. This depolarization and the repolarization at the time of transmission of signal, it will lead to the change in polarity, and that change in polarity across the membrane, it result in transmission of the signal from the one axon to the other. In this way, the signal is being transmitted across the membrane. But in the question, they have simply asked, during resting condition, axonal membrane is more permeable to the potassium, because potassium channels are partly open as compared to the sodium channel. So here is more permeable to potassium than sodium. Yes, correct. More permeable to sodium, sodium channels are completely closed, so this is incorrect. Impermeable to sodium than potassium, this is incorrect. Impermeable to potassium than chloride, this is also incorrect. Option A is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.